Welcome back. I'm back at it, y'all. Chef Paul Michael, Bourbon Heads. We doing another one tonight. Hey, it's been a long week, and I say, even though it's only Wednesday, but guess what, fellas and women? Knob Creek, 12 year. Well, I had this bottle for a while. I've been sipping on it, but I don't think I ever did a review on it. So tonight, we're gonna sit back and we're gonna crack this Knob 12 and we're gonna talk about it. Like, Knob Creek 12 year. Great bottle, nice golden label. Let's read the bottle for you folks out there. It's the original Knob Creek small batch Kentucky straight bourbon, crafted for superior taste and smoothness. Claremont, Kentucky. Knob Creek 12 year. It's a Kentucky straight bourbon. So I mean, when you see straight on the bottle, folks, straight means it's got certain rules and regulations to make it for a straight. Like straight's got to be at least 2 years aged. Straight's got to use the certain corn and barley and malt. Straight. There's different rules on the straight, and then exactly. So if you see straight Kentucky straight, but to be a Kentucky straight, it still got more rules to it. Plus, it has to be made in Kentucky. So we're gonna do this Knob Creek 12. It's a small batch. It's 100 proof. I think I got this one for about maybe 60 bucks. You know, hey, I mean, the great amber colors. It looks real good. Knob Creek is a great distillery. They got some great things coming out of Knob. So let's pour this damn thing. Let's see what it do. Success is a body and I gotta sleep and build. My hard drive is gonna need a will. Tell my doubters please be for real. Won't be long till I see a meal. Tell a major they can keep a deal. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got on my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine. They screwed up on the cork. Glue came loose on the cork, but it's okay. So like I said, Knob Creek 12, straight Kentucky bourbon. This is I think this one where I said is a small batch. Yeah, small batch might be 20 barrels, 40 barrels, 60 barrels. We don't know exactly how many barrels, but small batch. So this is 12 years, aged for 12 years, 100 proof. You know, let's get some notes on this one. I'm getting cinnamon, caramel, real floral. Smells real good. I mean, Knob Creek ain't never do me wrong. Knob Creek is an awesome bourbon. I mean, Knob Creek is a very awesome bourbon. Straight from Kentucky. You guys already know that. It's 100 proof, 50% alcohol volume. This one is the 12 year, aged for at least 12 years, or 12 years exactly. So, let's see what it do. I don't know what they talking about. Usain back in Rio went 3-0 here moto now. Look at him, I see a lot of eye. A little sluggish getting off the line. As soon as I hit my big strides, yo, wish that spicy, cinnamony, oaky, still lingering. Back front of the tongue at first, bam. Back of the tongue, the linger still there. Let's try them again. I mean, the notes of the smell comes through on the taste too. So, I mean, you're getting the full body of this right here. Like, this is a good, you're getting a full taste from the notes. Actually, the smell and the taste is very much similar. Like, sometimes you might get a smell of something, but then you don't get the taste when you taste it. But actuality on this one, the same smell that I'm getting on the palate too. So let's take another twig on this Knob Creek 12. Main stages with the bigger lights, name framed up in the headlines, drums, guitars, and BVs, brass section like a second I like that. Now, but it's bringing back some kind of memories. But me, it's something about the 12. Hold on a second, man. Success is a body and I gotta sleep and build. My hard drive is gonna need a will. Tell my doubters please be for real. Won't be long till I see a meal. Tell a major they can keep a deal. Why would I throw in the towel? I just got on my bag. I don't make no mistakes. I'm coming for mine, and there ain't no one taking. I also got the 9. I've taken some L's. Yeah. That's the 9 Creek 9. Now, the 9 Creek 9 is 120 proof single barrel. So this one is sitting at 120, the 9, and the 12 is sitting at 100. I haven't cracked open the 9 yet, but this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna come back to the 9 next episode because the 12 is good, but it's not giving me no sweet notes. It's giving me more pepper, more cinnamon, more spicy, oaky. So I want to compare. I want to try the 9 compared to the 12. So I mean, hey, come along with this journey. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Follow us, folks. I mean, we're trying. Bourbon Heads. It's my bourbon community. Keep buying that bourbon. Get them prices to come down. But nah, next episode, we're going to try this 9 out. I mean, like I always do, I give a thumbs up to the 12. It's a good sip. It's not bad. It's a flavor. It's spicy, cinnamon. I mean, I approve it. It's 100 proof. But I'm curious on this 9. Single barrel, 120 proof. So stay tuned. Follow us. Follow our Patreon. Patreon.com/WatchMedia. Chef Paul Michael, Bourbon Heads. Let's go. That means I lived and I learned. Now I got some money to burn. Why would I throw in the